Hey guys, in this video, we will be learning how to make a fake swing door. Alright, let's get started. So as you can see, I have a base cabinet and I have a wall cabinet. And when I press O, I am able to open my swing door. Alright, so if let's say I would like to change it to a fake swing door, I can always click onto the door panel, and over here, you can always change it to a fake door, right? So I've changed the both of these two doors, okay, to a fake door. So when I press O, as you can see, the wall cabinet door doesn't open, it stays still because it has turned into a fake door. All right, so there you have it. This is how to make a fake swing door. Good luck trying, guys.